Hey everyone, hi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kayla, for those of you who don't know. Today I'm going to show you guys how I got this knotless look. So, if you want to see how I achieved this, keep watching. Okay, so I have my braid here. This braid has been stressing me out all night. So I'm going to cut it off and do it over for you guys so you can see. My hair is not even that long, to be honest with you. If I cut this much off. So this is the rest of the braid, but I don't like how it is. I'm taking it out so you guys can see how I take out my braids. And yep, we have just hit my hair. Cool. So yeah, because I'm not dealing with that. So I'm taking out the braid. All right, boom. So that's me. This is my hair. I have, this is one pack of Remitouch hair. You can get it in any hair store. It's $1 where I get mine. So this is the hair. I separate it into maybe 5 or 7 pieces, give or take. And they're kind of medium size. So like this is more than enough for like one, you know? So I'm just separating. So this is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5. I'll do 6 and 7, pretty skinny. Alright. So, I don't know if you can see this. I'll probably have to zoom in for y'all. Hold on. Okay, boom. So we are here. This is my braid. It's pretty tight. My hair is held down by this edge booster. It's pretty cool and it gets the job done. I don't mind it. So I'm gonna loose out this braid to show you guys how I did it. Alright, bet, so you can kind of see it better. LOL. So pretty much I have my braid and I section it off into 3 sections, right? So then I take my hair, boom, 3. I do it as tight as I can, and I braid until I feel like it's tight enough, you know? Great. So now I have my small piece here. I take the hair and I put it around my 2 fingers. This is index and middle. And then I push it underneath. I grab with my index finger on my left side, so this one. I grabbed it. Now you're gonna see the difference. We separate. So we take this side and then this side, separate them, continue to braid. Now I might do this once or twice. I'll do it once for now. The second is a bigger one. Cool? Same thing. Separate, tuck under, grab with index, twist. We'll braid, I guess. Alright, I'm gonna do another one. Sometimes I go up to 4, but you can do as many as you want. Sorry, I'm like struggling over here. Jeez, okay. Same thing. Next one. Here, I don't know if y'all are seeing this well, but I grab with my index. Never forget your index finger. Then twist over. So right now my braid should be looking pretty solid, no funny. If it don't, I'm alright, cool. It's cool. Then I go in with the next one. Same thing. Grab with index, twist. Or braid, sorry. And I'm gonna braid down a little bit just to see. Yeah, that's pretty cool. That's solid for me. I braid a little bit more. I might, oh, I feel like I want to add another piece. Okay, cool. So this is literally like it. It's not even that crazy. All right, boom. Uh-oh. Same thing. Tuck it under. I want you guys to see I'm grabbing it with my index and I'm separating the hair and then braiding. It's pretty easy. My only issue with this is adding more hair. It adds issues to my hands and my wrists. So yeah, like I was saying before when I couldn't speak. My only issue with this is like, you know, adding too much hair, it literally will hurt your wrists. Like this one is fine because it's like a whole nother day. But to do a whole bunch of them, it kills. You're gonna have to take breaks. Alright, so I continue this braiding, and then towards the end I add a skinnier piece, and for length, pretty much. This is the last piece that I'm adding. And it's the same thing. I don't have to explain it. I think y'all get it by now. Also, shout out to my girl, Liviana. She's awesome. She helped me part my hair. She pretty much parted it for me because I was just too stressed out to do it. And she's a lifesaver and she does aerial yoga, and I'm gonna put her link in my description box because she's fire. And I think you guys will love what she has to offer. We're almost getting into the braid. Okay, we're getting close to the end. I'm not gonna lie and tell y'all this is easy. It's not. It was very stressful last night. It's eased up some today though, I can say that. I added the other half of that piece because it was getting too thick and it wouldn't have ended right. So this is the braid, you guys. It might not be perfect. Sorry, I'm like in a bit of a rush, but this is the braid. Like I said, it's not gonna be perfect. This is my first time doing knotless ever.